Hello, Bill Gates. I implore you, as a human in this earth, please help us. Please explore your deepest heart and help the needy, help the national economy and the world at large. You can do it. You're rich. You're wealthy. Look at you here with the queen. That's how famous you are. And there with your gold records, you're such a rock star. And there's a queen again giving you something. Something is not a check because you don't need checks. You give the checks. Thumbs up for me too. Is that your thumb? Saying, yes, I will help you and your financial woes. United States, if only Bill Gates, open up the gates of your pockets, of the Fort Knox of your pockets, and help us all, Bill.